Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own edge piping for the Clover hoodie. Okay, so I'm only going to show you on one piece because then it's the same steps for the rest of the pieces. So this is an example of what it would look like. So this is the front view A, so this is the middle and the side, and then I still have the other piece there, and as well as the back. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to measure, I'll grab my other one here. First, you're going to measure your two pieces here. You're going to measure all the way around, add about 4 inches to be safe. And then what I like to do in your contrasting color, I'm just using cotton, like jersey, spandex jersey for this. I'm not using anything special. So I do about a 3/8. My serger does about a 3/8 seam. So I'm actually going to cut 1 inch. Right. So this is my long piece here. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to take my one piece, grab my baggie of clips. I am a huge lover of magic clips. I think I have about 300 or 400 and in that small little baggie. So what you do is you fold your piping piece, wrong sides together. You can do this either way. You can baste it. I just clip it. So I start about 1 inch off and then I clip, and I use a ton of clips. Don't stretch your piping as you go. Make sure that you aren't stretching it. You're just neatly placing it, and you're placing it up against the edge like so. Okay, so you're going to do that all the way around. Then you're going to come back with your other piece and you're going to lay it right sides together, and you are going to sandwich that piping piece in between like that. Okay, so it'll be sandwiched like that. So here we go. I have it all clipped up. And like I said, I love clips. I use a lot of them when doing this type of work, just to get that exact precision and make sure my piping doesn't shift in there. So that's how it will look once you are ready. And you can go ahead and serge that up or sew that up, whatever your preferred method is. I'm going to take you over to my serger and show you what I'll do. Okay, we are ready. You have to be very precise about doing this because you don't want to be wobbly on your stitches or whatnot, because then you'll have some piping like too much on one part and then not enough on the other part. So just make sure that you are staying straight. Okay, there you have it. All done. There is my piping. So what you can do is you want to press your seam whichever direction you want. In this case, I want it to be pressed to the middle, and then you can top stitch along the edge if you want to give it that extra finish, and to make sure your seam stays flat like that. There you go. So good luck and have fun with your project.